Okay, The Kingsman Part 3, releasing on September 2020. Actually, it was going to release in February, but due to COVID, it was postponed. It's a prequel of last two parts, and it is logical because last part was ended like a full stop of the story. We lost an important character Merlin, role by Stan Lee, with his death. This prequel is based on real historical events near time around World War One. If we see based on events, this movie's timeline will be divided in two parts. The first one will be before the World War One around 1910, and second one will be the after the World War One, or we can say the before the Russian Civil War around 1916. Reason for before World War One, we can see some major events like assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand, which is the trigger to start the chain reaction of World War One in 12th of July 1914. And the second one after the World War is Grigory Rasputin.
Welcome, Englishman.
In this movie, the Rasputin's character is rolled by Rise Evans. Well, the Rasputin is the very well-known character of the history. His death story is very interesting. Because in history, people believe that Rasputin had some magical healing power. People try to kill him by poisoning him, by hanging him, even by shooting him, but he always escaped.
These nuts. Got him. Got him.
He was controlling the king and queen of Russia, Sir Nicholas and Alexandria. I am not history buff and I am not going in very detail, but Rasputin cured the son of king and queen. That's why king and queen impressed and have full faith on Rasputin. And whatever he said to do this or to do that, the king and queen did it. That's why people were so angry at Rasputin and a mission was executed to kill him. We will see this event in a part of movie where obviously this mission will be executed by the Kingsman. We can also see this scene in the trailer. In history, Rasputin was also a big fuckboy.
Yeah, boy.
Because of his magical image, girls were so impressed around him and he always loved to fuck girls. I hope we can see some adult scenes in the movie. In this prequel, it is not just about the Kingsman and Statement, there were many other agencies before establishing the Kingsman. We can see whole story, big members and reasons behind the establishing of Kingsman. As we can see a meeting scene just like holographic scene in first part of Kingsman, but here it is in older fashion. Harris Dickinson is in the lead role in this movie as Cornet, the secret agent of Kingsman. We will see the same requirement process for the Kingsman agent as we seen in the first part of the movie, the secrets behind the hidden doors, some amazing gadgets, but in older version. Basically, Cornet is the Axie of this movie, and Duke of Oxford, who is the Harry Hot of the movie, role played by Ralph Fiennes. And the Merlin is also casting in this movie, so maybe we can see him at the end of this movie to link the Kingsman in the decades of 2000. We will see some amazing casting of Gemma Arterton. Unlike other two parts, I am expecting some chemistry with her in this movie.
Oh my God! Wow!
Daniel Brühl, the villain of Captain America Civil War. Literally, he was the pain in ass of the Captain America and Iron Man in that movie. And the famous Charles Dance. The director of the movie, Matthew Vaughn, who did the amazing work in X-Men series and the last two parts of the Kingsman. If you didn't see the last two parts of the Kingsman yet, please watch them, they are amazing. So finally, collecting all the information, I think this movie's plot will be something like there was an agency with full of culprit and corrupted people, which was led by Rasputin, who wants to take the full advantage of World War I to getting rich by telling the nations that they are spreading the peace, but actually they are spreading the war for money. They are trying to execute some bad events and bad activities that World War I will be more and more frightening and they will become more rich. Now some good people gather around and make an independent agency to stop these bad activities and take some action instantly. So finally the Kingsman established. Now it will be very interesting to see how Kingsman stopped them. After all, World War I still happened, so what the thing they stopped? I want to see. and I am expecting that I will be wrong because it was too easy to guess the plot. So I am hoping for many surprises in the movie and obviously action scenes because without them this movie is nothing.